In this video, I will show you how to create a Printify account. To do this, I'll leave a link to their website down in the description, and through that link you will get to this page. Now from there, just click on Get Started for free, and it will then take you to the sign up page where you can continue with Google or enter an email and password. Now just continue with Google, and then you will get to their onboarding, which has 4 steps. So first, what brings you to Printify? For example, I'm new to selling online and want to start. Then what best describes you? So let's say that in this case, content creator, and then click next. Then what social media do you use? Now for me, YouTube, and then again, click next. And if you are a content creator, then you will get these questions, but if you are something else, then you will get some different questions. So just answer the questions and go through the steps. Then it will ask, where would you like to sell? Now, if you want to sell globally, just tick this box right there and then click next. Then it will ask, how did you hear about us? Let's say YouTube, and then click complete. Now from there, you can see I have now already created my Printify account. And now here you can then start looking through their catalog and designing your own products and also starting to sell them. So that's how to create your Printify account. Now again, I'll leave a link to Printify down in the description that you can use to create your free account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.